we're back working on this particular guitar, so trying to take it apart. I got my soldering iron hooked over there, so we're gonna see. Can't get the pickups and stuff out. This looks a little rough here. Alright. So we got under here. Let's see. Well, it looks. Yeah, at least somebody did something with the wires. Alright, let's see if we can pop this thing off. Do it the old-fashioned way. If I can get it down in there. See if we can pop out just a little bit. I unfortunately lost my sponge. Pause this for a second. Alright, got my iron heated up over here. See if I can get this this off. There we go. Easy enough there. Now, let's see if I can't. See if I got something better to take care of this with.